It's Wednesday, March 4th, 2026. And we have and the severe weather event is practically underway at this point. So let's get into it. All right. So tonight we have a slight risk of severe weather that's going out for Fort Smith, Muskogee, going all the way into why aren't these towns loading up? Yeah, McAllister and Ardmore. Now, actually, when this is being recorded, there are severe thunderstorm warnings in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma. Sorry. And it's probably going to continue for the next few hours. But today we do have but for the remainder of the night, we do have a 2% chance of tornadoes. That includes McAllister, Ardmore, Muskogee, Tahlequah, and Fort Smith. This is probably not going to see much stuff, but still get that action plan ready. We do have a 50% chance for damaging winds. That includes Shakasha Nation, Wilburton, Hannah, Stigler, Padito, Fort Smith, Stillwell, going all the way down into Atoka and Caddo. This is our most dangerous concern for damaging winds. And then we also have a 50% chance for damaging hail. That includes McAllister, Ardmore, Okmulgee, Muskogee, Tahlequah, Fort Smith, going all the way up into Greenwood. But that is for today, so let's look at the models for the rest of tonight. Alright, so it's kind of showing those thunderstorms starting right now around 7 p.m. Kind of happening over Oklahoma, but so around 8 p.m. tonight, these thunderstorms should kind of break up apart and become different thunderstorms amongst themselves, and then they'll just get stronger and stronger till about, I'd say, 2 a.m. or so. It will kind of war down, and then we have to worry about Thursday. Alright, and so next we have tomorrow with a slight risk of severe weather that goes out for Oklahoma City, Stillwater, Enid, Woodward, Guymon, Altus, going all the way down into Lawton. And with this, we do have a pretty high supercell chance, which that means there's a chance of tornadoes. Now, tomorrow there's like 5% hatched. That's hatched group 1. So, that includes basically the same areas that are in the slight risk. But then around it, we have a tornado conditional intensity group 1, 2% tornado risk. That includes Stillwater, Chickasha, Lawton, going all the way up into areas like Alva. But tornado is basically one of the main threats tomorrow. But also, we do have a 15% chance of damaging winds that includes Woodward, Enid, Altus, going all the way down from, so basically going all the way down from Altus to all the way up to Alva. And then we have the hail risk, which is really big. That includes, it's a hail conditional intensity group 1, 50% hail risk. That includes Woodward, Enid, Altus, Guymon, did I say Woodward? But, okay. Alright, so storm should enter Oklahoma around 8 p.m. And they're gonna continue. They're going to continue to the overnight hours as a little line going through northern Oklahoma, and eventually probably around 5 a.m. Friday morning, they're going to be over. But at 5 a.m. Friday morning, we have another threat to worry about. Alright, out of all 3 of the days we've talked about, this is definitely our most concerning out of all of them. We have an enhanced risk of severe weather that includes Stillwater, Tulsa, Bartlesville, Muskogee, Oklahoma City, Norman, going all the way up into Enid, and going all the way down into Ardmore. We do not have a tornado risk on this yet, but we might get like a 25 chance of tornadoes on this. But we do have a probabilistic chance for this. It's 30%. So I think we definitely are going to have at least some tornadoes on Friday. So let's get to the outlooks. So I'm gonna do something real quick. 1 second. Let's see if this will work. If I go to GFS, okay. So let me hold on. You know what, actually, we can just go to here. So, actually, I think the thunderstorms from Thursday are gonna continue into Friday morning, and they're gonna be, stronger at that time, because the GFS is only showing this for Friday, so I think that's just the thunderstorms in the GFS model. So, we'll see what happens, but I'm not really sure for Friday right now. We have another outlook that not really people are talking about, which is actually really concerning. So let's get. Alright, so not really many people are talking about this, but we have a day 7, which that's Tuesday. Slight risk of severe weather that includes Enid, Stillwater, Norman, Lawton, Bartlesville, Tulsa, Muskogee, going all the way into Fort Smith. So these are really concerning because they don't just throw out day 7 slight risks all day. Last time this happened, we had like a moderate risk. So, we'll see what happens. I'm pretty concerned for this day, particularly. So I don't think there's any model runs for this quite yet, but so that's all the information I have for you this video. We'll have a video tomorrow and maybe even Saturday, kind of starting to get to this a little bit. But bye for now.